Hello and namaste everyone. We are a group of undergraduate computer engineering students from Kathmandu University who came together for this project. We, the team of Asis, Aman, Sabil and Sanskrit, are interested in how technology can have an impact on human lives. We believe in using innovation with passion and purpose to tackle the issues with technology. As being university students and responsible human beings, we are worried about the current environmental situation of the world. Climate change is a huge problem, which, if unchecked, poses a huge threat to our livelihood, health, biodiversity, and the entire Earth. One of the major reasons for above problems is inefficiency in tracking and monitoring the environmental parameters. So we have built the system to collect, monitor, and analyze environmental parameters so that the past can be monitored for a better future. We have interest in research, product development, and a passion to do something good with what we know and have. Together with the skills of research, hardware engineering, software development, data, and market analysis, we have built this project to tackle one of the biggest problems of climate change.
Our idea is to build an environmental satellite to measure the environmental parameters for research purposes, disaster warning system, and feasibility analysis for agriculture products using environmental data. In order to address the global issue of climate change, we have built our project, which is a miniature version of an environmental satellite integrated with subsystems such as onboard computers, microcontrollers, sensors, and communication systems to monitor the different aspects of the environment. The main objectives include measurement and analysis of environmental parameters as temperature, pressure, altitude, humidity, and pollution level. The data is transmitted in real time through wireless channels to the cloud via the internet, analyzed, and the present as well as the past data is represented graphically in the GUI. Multiple such devices can be placed in different geographical locations and alerts can be generated in case of any anomaly such as warnings and precautions. Our idea addresses climate change using innovation with passion and purpose to tackle the issues with tech. Monitoring the environmental parameters of different geographical locations, we want to study and research about the big picture impact of climate change. It can be used to monitor and create alerts about disasters like glacier outbursts, heatwave and cold wave warnings, and for research and feasibility analysis of agricultural products. Our target audience are industrialists, smart city planners, general public, agricultural, and mining industry. We plan to start working with local authorities and social organizations in the beginning and slowly expand our customer base to agriculture, industrial, and research sector, tying up with distributors. We have been testing our prototype in collaboration with the Department of Environment Science and Engineering in Kathmandu University. For the validation of our data, we have been comparing our data with the data generated by NWMO verified automatic weather station located at Kathmandu University. Some companies like Accurate, Dacan also measure environmental parameters and show it in an interface, but they are limited to measuring and showing data, and on top of that, they are expensive with large hardware. Our device is small, portable, flexible, modular, and most importantly, affordable, and can be used in disaster management, smart cities, remote areas, and agriculture.
This project has been a great learning opportunity for us, and our system being able to have an impact on saving the earth from climate change means a success to us. We believe our idea is a tiny step in making this world a better place, and we would like to get our product into the hands of people to whom it would be very beneficial. When our project is able to reach people and impact them in a positive way, it is a success to us. We are living in Himalayan nation. According to National Geographic, the temperature of Himalayas is rising twice as much as the global average. Glaciers are retreating, weather patterns are becoming more erratic, disrupting reliable water sources for millions of people. On top of that, natural disasters are happening more frequently. The 2021 Uttarakhand flood is an example of how climate change is affecting the region. The timing is critical for us to deploy our project in market. The later we start, the more negative ramification to our environment, which could have been avoided. So timing is critical.
By participating in this grant program, we plan to fulfill our goals of sustainability. The program, being organized by such a respectful organization, attracts large number of professionals from different backgrounds. We expect to meet such professionals and follow their advice to further enhance our project. We expect capacity building, financial, and mentoring support for the development of the inclusive and innovative climate change solutions in our project. As for the required support, we have developed the project on Scratch with available resources and technical skills, and we are planning to expand and grow it in cooperation with other organizations. Since we are creating a system to mitigate climate change, we are seeking support that can be technical or domain experts mentorship from different organizations to achieve our goal.